I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. Alright, it's March 11th, 2021. Here's my watch list, what I'm watching today. ATXI starts to get over 6. We can climb. It was on yesterday's. We got a little push. She's working it out. BFRA, we start to get over 616. We can come back through. 987 is where it's been. CTIB, this is interesting. Any kind of real volume, and we're coming back through. HKIB, this is interesting, although it's just as good of a short candidate as a long candidate. We'll see which way she wants to go. INVO, this is interesting, especially when we get back up towards the 775 and hold it. It just came off a recent rip, and not a lot of people wanted to sell. So MFGP, still watching this. It was on yesterday's list. We start to get above 675, and we'll see where it goes. MITT, back on my list. I should probably do the short video as soon as I actually get a chance to do the BA video. But as again, we don't fit our shorts. So we'll see. She's hashing out. She came up a little bit yesterday. We'll see what it's doing. NNVC, still on the watch list. I mean, as long as this gap is protected, it means there's interest in here. Get above 530 and you can hold. You can start to go back up. PBLA, this one's interesting. This could be a lot of short. What's the short interest on PBLA? Alright, FinViz has it at 2.15% in the short float. It's only a 7 million float. Any interest is going to cause us to go back through. And XTNT, still, we're watching it range right now. So that's my watch list for today. Good luck, have fun, make money. I don't need to spend 25 minutes pumping you a video on some due